Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
How to convert 740 mm He to ATM? Correct answer is to convert 740 mm He to ATM, we use the conversion factor 1 ATM equals 760 mm He. Divide 740 mm He by 760 mm He by ATM to get the equivalent in atmospheres. 740 mm He by 760 mm He by ATM equals 0.9737 ATM. Therefore, 740 mm He is equal to 0.9737 ATM.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.